Breaking news, breaking news. We've got two brandy new models here in the Meritage neighborhood in the Coves in Cane Bay Plantation.
Yeah, it's right on the lake system, as you can see right behind us.
Yeah.
This neighborhood has a nice little boat pier, fishing dock type of thing. There's a saltwater pool here.
Yeah.
You've got all kinds of stuff in Cane Bay Plantation. Up at the front, 25, 30 miles of golf cart, biking, walking trails. Up at the front, Jeff, there's a Publix.
Yeah.
What else is there?
Family Pizza, Chick-fil-A, Starbucks, Mexican restaurants. Actually had dinner at Agave.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, a couple nights ago. Really good.
Yeah, really good.
But I love that you can get to all that stuff and even more in Nexton, all from Cane Bay here by golf cart, because the paths, once you leave this neighborhood, you're on golf cart paths the whole way up to the front of Cane Bay Plantation. And if you haven't paid attention to Cane Bay lately, it used to be way back in the day, there was one way into Cane Bay and one way out. There's now 5 or 6.
There is, yeah. There's a new one coming on Fairwinds Boulevard.
Yeah.
You've got Nexton Extension. You've got Cane Bay Boulevard. You've got the Black Tom Road one. So multiple ways out and more coming for sure. This neighborhood, we're going to go see the Conway plan and the Vincent plan. Both brand new plans.
Yeah.
They're both a little bit wider of a home.
Or you can tell when you look at them compared to the other ones, they're a wider footprint on the properties. We're looking at a 1 level and a 2 level, and both of them, one of them is really on the water and one of them is kind of on the water, but they're both gorgeous new models that Meritage has here. Let's go see them.
Let's go see them.
So Mark, this is a brand new model that they're building here that we haven't seen yet, right?
Right. Yeah, these two next two are going to be...
This is the Vincent, 1,900 square foot. This is 1 level, 3.2 plus an office. And I don't have pricing, but I think it's gonna be right in the ballpark of 500.
Okay. So this right off the bat looks like a wider home.
It is. So
The porch alone.
Yeah, you're right. I didn't notice that before, but I bet you this is an extra 4 foot wide house.
Yeah.
4 or 5 feet. So you've actually got, I mean, you could have chairs here, but then it opens up a little bit over here. So the porch is a little deeper. Well, I wish I had this kind of access when I was a kid sneaking out of the house. That is the easy room to sneak out.
Yes, yes. I guarantee your mother and father would not have put you in that room.
They put me in a room that I needed a ladder to get out of in Pittsburgh. This is, I might not be here today if I would have had easy access to get out of the house.
I was just wondering, they call this the yellow neighborhood? Like every house I see is yellow. Is that what that means?
No. This is how it's treated before it's painted. They're doing great colors in here, a lot of beachy themed colors, this Charleston-y colors.
I just see yellow.
Yeah, no, you're okay. If you hate yellow houses, you can absolutely live in this neighborhood.
Okay.
Are a lot of people talking about the yellow houses, Mark? I hadn't heard that. Or is that just one of those things in your head?
No, it was, well, partially in my head and then partially somebody asked, is that the final?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm going to show you something here. And through the power of technology, I'm going to close the door and you're still going to be able to hear me.
Okay.
So they've got windows in the doors. That's something that is actually, like a lot of places just put a solid door in here with no light coming through. And these cost more. So like we've said with this builder before, they're putting all the nice stuff in the house. And listen, if you don't want people to see through this door, you could film this.
Oh, yeah.
Andrea did that in our old bathroom.
They even have that spray that goes on there.
I wouldn't do that.
Why?
I tried to spray paint something one time. It didn't go well.
No, not spray paint. It's actual spray for the window.
Oh, okay. So we're not going to spray paint the window?
No, and that.
Okay, no.
This is a big flex room.
And so there's another room on the other side of this room even.
It's probably a bedroom.
Yeah, that's that bedroom because the one that I was talking about sneaking out of, that only had 1 window and this one has 2. So with this door, this is meant to be your office, I guess.
I think so.
All right, let's go find that bedroom because now I'm confused.
There's a little hallway here. Oh, we got 2 bedrooms down here, I think.
Oh, this is definitely a wider house.
Yeah. All right, so here's your sneak out bedroom.
That's what it's going to be called forever now. This is the...
And they're going to put sneak out bedroom.
Sneak out. Sure.
It's not, it's wider, but it's not real deep, I guess. But you could still fit a queen.
For a secondary bedroom, it's fine.
Yeah.
So you've got a closet here, another bedroom here,
another sneak out window?
You could. You got a little bit more of a step down because you're going down the driveway.
We can't have two sneak out.
No, I don't want to break an ankle sneaking out. I'm going to go out the front where I can go to the porch. And full bath here to support these 2 bedrooms with a shower tub combo.
Okay, that makes sense.
Another closet. Well, I'm interested to see how wide this space feels because, oh yeah. Okay, so you can see here where this living room space is this wide, and then we still have another full bedroom off to the side.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas if this was one of the more narrow planes that they do.
So that is like a little drop zone coming in from the garage.
Mark, what is this big pipe sticking out of the ceiling?
This is your vent for your hood.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah.
So you can cook salmon in the house and not worry about the whole house being...
I still wouldn't cook salmon in the house.
No, do you not like the salmon?
Oh, I gosh.
It does seem to linger for days.
Yeah. That's why we have the blacktop. What's it called?
You cook it outside. Yeah. So fridge is going to go here.
Little coffee bar, probably.
That makes sense. And then pantry. This is big.
Yeah.
So you're going to be able to get 3 stools, I bet, on the island if you wanted to.
Yep.
And then, all right, so I would say this is going to be your kitchen area.
Yeah.
Kitchen table thing.
Dining table.
And then your living room over this one.
On the wall, yeah.
Another fantastic lot.
Wow, this is a big back deck, too.
Yeah. I mean, you could do a lot on here.
Yeah.
I mean, the one next door, look how much bigger it is than that one.
Right.
You actually would need 2 ceiling fans out here. Although this breeze right now, you're looking, see my hair blowing?
Oh, yeah, it looks pretty. You look like Fabio from...
Oh, yeah. I hear that all the time.
Yeah, phenomenal lot here. You got a little walking path. It's really nice.
All right, so that's it. This is a 1 level. This is a big 1 level.
1 level, but we haven't hit the primary yet, right?
There's another bedroom here that we haven't even seen. See, the house is so big. All right, laundry here.
Nice.
Primary bedroom here. Got the nice ceilings.
Yep.
Pre-wired for ceiling fan. In here, water closet off to the left. Oh, Mark Klim, look at the shower.
Oh, it's a big one. Oh my goodness.
It is a big shower.
You got a corner seat.
Oof. Okay, we've got problems. That's going to fit half of one cheek. What are we doing with the rest of the rear end? That's
not gonna work.
No, that's, you know what? I can put my leg up on there and shave my leg.
Shave your leg?
Yeah, that's when that would be there.
Do you shave your legs?
Don't worry about that.
Oh my God.
Walk-in closet, big. Look, not even touching any walls.
Oh, it passes the Jeff spins.
Yeah, that's a technical real estate test that we do on houses.
I like this primary though, on the back of the house.
Yeah, I mean the view doesn't get any better.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I guess it could get better view if there's like a permanent hot dog cart out back. But outside of that, this is a pretty good view.
Permanent hot dog.
Coming soon to the Meritage neighbor near you, a hot dog cart with every house.
All right, Jeff, we're at another brand new model. It's called the Conway. It's 2,800. 5 bedrooms in this one, 4 baths. The primary is downstairs. And of course, the compressor kicks on right when we're talking. Wider home, let's go inside.
All right, sounds like they're working in this one, so
we're gonna be safe, and that's why we have a hard hat.
Safety first.
So you got the entry in from the garage here. Probably a little room for a drill.
There's more back here, Mark.
And is this the one?
Laundry back here, yeah.
Oh yeah. This is the first time we've seen these plans, so we're excited. We're along the journey with you.
And well, I like this because I will say the one thing I don't like about my personal laundry room is it's basically just this.
Yeah.
I don't have any place over here
To fold.
yeah.
Yeah. Super nice.
Does anybody iron clothes anymore?
Sharon Clem,
That your wife does?
if she has to go somewhere busy, she's still ironing.
So there's room in there for an ironing board.
Basic garage.
Yeah. Tall ceilings though. It is. You could hang those doohickeys from the ceiling to give you more storage.
Shelter. Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at you coming up with your fancy words. My doohickey wasn't good enough for you?
The other day when I was videoing with Sharon, I struggled for the word. See, I can't think of it.
You struggle with the word out.
The thing where you pretend sing over at Four Seasons.
Oh,
Lip sync.
the lip sync. Yeah.
I couldn't think of it.
Again, good use of space underneath the steps. Lots of storage space. Really nice to have.
So we got almost like a little suite here because it goes down here and then the bathroom is there.
Now, Mark, is it going to come with all this water in the bathtub?
No, they're actually testing it. They'll clean it. They'll make sure it's really sparkling clean, but they're testing it to make sure it holds water.
That
So
makes
you don't have the problems later on in life.
That makes sense.
Decent size room. Queen, king even. I would say king in one end table.
Yeah.
You got a little bit of a walk-in closet here.
And another sneak out room.
And another sneak out room.
You got access to the front porch there.
There you go.
All right, so we'll go upstairs.
Wait, so there's more than... There's 2 bedrooms down.
Oh, hold up.
All right, so this is the kitchen. Pretty big. You got the corner pantry.
Yeah.
Fridge over there. You got a little dinette set area here.
Yeah, 4 or 6 top.
Yeah. You got a little bit of a water view on this one, too.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is the porch I like.
This is a big porch.
Yeah,
surrounded by
having the 3 sides surrounding it, so you're really very private. And I like the scrub grass in the trees with still the water view.
Yeah.
That's nice.
All right, let's go to the primary. I like that it has 2 bedrooms down.
Uh-huh.
We don't see a lot of those. All right, vaulted, tray ceilings, big room, high ceilings, primary bathroom.
Big shower.
Does it have the corner seat?
It has the corner Jeff wants to shave his legs prop up thingy.
I think you're going to have to talk to the people at Meritage. They can't put corner seats in.
Watch Meritage go like, hey, we were going to redesign our houses. Can we measure your rear end? Yes, Meritage. Yes, you can.
Hey, I found another bedroom in here.
Oh, is the walk-in closet big? Oh, my.
Huge.
Even has a couple little nooks.
Yeah. I would put shoe racks over there.
Spaces around here.
This is big. All right, let's go upstairs.
Oh, wonderful.
So that's 2 bedrooms here. So we have 3 more bedrooms upstairs. We should.
Is there air conditioning upstairs waiting for me?
Not today.
No.
That just, yeah, we made it till June 17th, though, before we started complaining on video.
Yeah, right.
I think that's pretty good.
That's pretty good for the year. Oh, check this out. Access to the HVAC stuff here, but also a little bit of storage space in there.
Yeah. Good size loft. What's that over there?
That is the gaming center.
Okay. So it's like 2 lofts.
Yeah.
Be great for a desk.
Yeah, it would. All right, so 2 bedrooms back here.
Okay.
Here's one. There's another facing the front of the house.
You got a bathroom to support those 2.
Shared bath here.
So the other bedroom must have a bathroom because they wouldn't make the person walk all the way over here, would they?
Well,
how?
Well, I don't know. Bathroom. Yeah, it does. Okay, you're right. I wasn't sure you were right. I don't know why I doubted you. And then probably the biggest of the secondaries.
Yeah. Yeah, you put the kid you like in here.
All right, I'm hot. Can we go outside now?
Yes, let's go.
So 2 beautiful new models here. I really like that they added. My favorite is probably the 1 level.
Yeah.
Because it's just much wider than what we typically see in these neighborhoods as far as the width of the home and the lots.
Well, plus that one's on the water.
Yeah.
The other one's on the water too, a little bit.
Yeah, you got different
Whereas
view.
the grass, you still see the lake and all of that. The thing I like about the other one, which is the Conway, is that it had 2 bedrooms downstairs.
That's true.
We just don't see that. Primary plus another bedroom.
Yeah.
There's only one other builder I can think of that has that. So if you need 2 bedrooms downstairs, this is a winner.
And these 2 are obviously a little bit farther out from being complete, but they're putting all the nice stuff in these. Remember, this builder puts in the washer, the dryer, the refrigerator. Like, it is move-in ready.
Yes.
When you don't have to add anything to it.
Yeah. Super nice. Well, here in Cane Bay Plantation, there's more to do than just in the coves, as we talked about at the beginning of the video.
Yep.
But you have tons of stuff to do. If you want to know more, down in the description, click on that link, book a Zoom call with us. We would love to do a Zoom call, figure out, is this the right neighborhood for you, or is there another one, and figure out if this fits with your lifestyle. Till next time.
See y'all.
See ya.